Other buildings in the district also need critical attention, such as roof and leak and brick repairs. HVAC repairs and upgrades, new hot water tanks, new centralized controls, and an upgrade of fire panels are needed.
We built the building between 74 and 75 and occupied it in 1976. It does need a little work. It's approaching 50 years old.
The Performing Arts Center is a community gem and is used for performing, practice, and study. The community also uses it for events and meetings.
But the brick cracks, and it cracked in the earthquakes, and that some of that needs to be worked. I know there's a heating system issue. And there's probably some ADA issues because we didn't have strict ADA compliance back then. It's a tremendous community asset and should be for another 100 years.
This November, you'll be asked to consider a bond measure that addresses 4 areas of need in our district. Learn more at weareferndale.org. And don't forget to vote by November 6th.